In Google Docs, you can also directly insert Google Drawing document and then work with it. So in order to do that, you simply click on Insert right here, and then you go to Drawings right here. And then over here, if you have Google Drawings file saved on your drive, you can go to From Drive. But in my case, I don't have any, so I'm just going to click on New. So it opens up a version of Google Drawing right within Google Docs, as you can see. And then you can design something right here. So there are some saves and everything else. So this is a separate application on its own, which you can use to edit out drawings right over here. And it's quite similar to Google Docs in many ways, but it is more designed towards graphics. Now I'm just going to go around right here, type in a few words, let's say, for example, and change out the format. Let's save it out. Now what happens is that you have the Google Drawing component right over here, as you can see, and you can move it around as if you're moving around images right over there. If you want to edit it further, you can simply click on Edit, and then it opens it up again in Google Drawings program, where you can make changes right over here just like that, and then save it out, and all the changes will be reflected over here and is directly seen in your Google Docs document. And that is how you can insert and work with Google Drawing documents inside of Google Docs. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.